Are you one that doesn't drill holes all that often, but you want a quality tool when you do? Well, if so, I have just the drill for you. Hey, I'm Greg, and this is the Hogan HMD 900, a basic, no-frills, compact, economical mag drill for those of you that don't drill holes all that often. Today, I'm going over all the details of this thing and going to show you why you might want to put one of these drills in your shop. What's one of the first questions with a mag drill? How big a hole can this thing make? Well, the HMD 900 can drill holes up to 1.5 inches in diameter through material up to 2 inches thick. The compact height of the drill measures just a hair over 15 inches. It's powered by a 450 RPM Hogan motor, which has plenty of torque when you're drilling holes. And the drill is nice and lightweight at only 28 pounds. Using the HMD 900 is simple, and the compact size of this drill makes it easy to move and carry around the shop. Controls for the drill are located on the rear panel. There is a magnet switch and motor on and off switches. The 3 feed handles allows you to keep steady feed pressure on the cutter when you're drilling holes. If you take a close look at the drill, you'll notice there's no motor cord. It's hidden inside the housing. This eliminates any chance of using that cord as a handle. Instead, there's this nice open carrying handle which allows you to keep a firm grip on the drill. Safety is always a priority at Hogan, and the HMD 900 has a built-in operator safety switch that will shut off the motor if lift of the magnet is detected. And if all this isn't good enough, the HMD 900 is made in the USA. The HMD 900 is a great drill for general hole making, but it can also use several accessories to make it more valuable around the shop. Let's take a look at some of them. There are drill chucks for using twist drills, a countersink for tapering your holes, a twist drill adapter kit, and many others. To maximize your hole making capabilities with the HMD 900, there are 2 types of tools you should use: Hogan 12,000 series or Copperhead carbide cutters. You can't go wrong with either one. Both of the tools will provide excellent overall drilling performance with the HMD 900. And both styles of cutters are available in hundreds of sizes and a wide range of kits. Now it's time for my favorite part, drilling holes. The HMD 900 is simple and easy to operate. Let me walk you through drilling a hole. First, we're going to add some lubricant to our cutter. It's important to always use lubricant with annular cutters. Not only will your tools last longer, but you'll get a better, cleaner hole. Let's line up the pilot. Turn on the magnet. Now I'll turn on the motor and drill the hole. But notice when I do, I'll start into the hole slowly, then I'll increase feed pressure once I establish a groove. Here we go. There you go, the no frills, compact, easy to operate HMD 900. You no longer have to dread those times when you have to drill a hole. Just grab the HMD 900 and see why it's a great tool to have in your shop.